Wolves, Canis lupus, are large canids that belong to the family Canidae. They are found in a wide range of habitats, including forests, tundra, and grasslands, and are found in both the Old World, Europe, Asia, and Africa, and the New World, North America. They are known for their intelligence, pack behavior, and complex social structure. Wolves have a distinctive shape, with a long, slender body, and a bushy tail. They have large paws and long legs, which are adapted for running and endurance hunting. They have a thick, grayish-brown fur that provides insulation from cold temperatures. Their large teeth and powerful jaws allow them to take down large prey such as deer and moose. Wolves are carnivorous and hunt primarily in packs, working together to take down large prey. They also scavenge on carrion and eat smaller animals such as rodents. They have a complex system of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking, which they use to communicate with each other. Wolves are highly social animals and live in packs, which are typically led by a dominant breeding pair, known as the alpha pair. The pack also consists of their offspring, and sometimes other adults. Wolves form strong bonds with other members of their pack and work together to raise and protect their young. They have a complex social structure, with different roles and hierarchies within the pack. Wolves are facing a number of threats to their survival, including habitat loss and fragmentation, hunting and persecution, and competition with human settlements. They have been heavily hunted and persecuted for centuries, which has led to population declines and extirpation in many areas. Conservation efforts are being made to protect wolves. Also, education and awareness campaigns are being conducted to raise awareness about the importance of wolves and to promote conservation. It's worth noting that there are different subspecies of wolves distributed in different regions of the world, and their population and conservation status varies among them.